Can't see it in this, but I cracked my screen, and I'm going to replace my screen. This is an Asus U41 series. I think it's the U41J, but I'll put that in the notes. What you have to do is take a small screwdriver and pry it along the top. It might sound like you're breaking it, but you do need to use a screwdriver. You're not breaking it. You're going to remove this plastic shield. Make sure you do remove the 2 screws here and here. That tripped me up for a minute before I realized there was a screw here and here. Once you remove those screws, fold down that guy. Then there's a screw here, 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 and here. I've already removed these screws. Here's the last screw. Carefully take your laptop screen, fold it down, and then you want to carefully and gently lift up this tape where the video connector is and simply disconnect it. I thought it would be way more complicated than this, but apparently it's not. Next, we take our new screen, move it from the packaging, lay that packaging down, line up the screen, reconnect our video cable connector, or I guess connected for the first time. And then reattach basically everything that you undid. You're obviously just going to redo. Now, since I'm guessing you've seen someone screw a screw in before, I'm going to skip this part because it's boring. Also, if you hadn't already, you make sure your power is disconnected, your laptop is unplugged, and also your battery is out. So I put the new screen in, removed the protective film, I removed the 4 screws here, 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 and here, and then I popped my battery back in. Make sure you get those 2 bottom screws. So you're going to see this with me the moment to see if it actually worked. I did not try this, so we're watching it for the first time. And ta-da! The screen appears to be working. I hope I have nothing embarrassing on my computer as it comes up. Everything seems to be fine. All in all, it took me, I would say, 10 minutes or less.